Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Gene Info. I hope you will find this time to talk about Dhurandhar box office collections and recent share takes of 7 peak on records for prey. Dhurandhar is likely to close over or around rupees 785 to 790 crore. The rupees 800 crore net mark is pretty much ruled out now by the figure being updated on 17 January 2026. Dhurandhar started its seventh week collecting rupees 1.50 crore net approx on Friday. That is once again a record daily collection for a Hindi film with the previous best of around rupees 1 crore by Street 2. The seventh week record is also with Street 2 and rupees 8.75 crore which Dhurandhar should be able to take as well. Normally from rupees 1.50 crore Friday, a week of around rupees 12 to 13 crore would be expected, but Dhurandhar has shown later growth over weekends than we see nowadays, so a more reasonable target will be rupees 10 to 11 crore. The total box office collections for the Ranveer Singh starrer stand at rupees 770 crore net approx by the end of this week. It will reach around rupees 780 crore net. There will be a break release next week, Bodhi 2, which will lead to a drop in business and the film is likely to close over or around rupees 785 to 790 crore. The rupees 800 crore net mark is pretty much ruled out now. Irrespective of where it finally lands, Dhurandhar is already the highest grossing Hindi film of all time. Dhurandhar is nearing the 3.50 crore footfalls, which would make it the first Bollywood film to reach that level since Single. And considering the Hindi variant alone, Jawan did it in all variants. At one time, Topland Dangal seemed like a possibility, but that is no longer the case. Having said that, it is worth noting that the box office has gone down from the better days of the 2010s, although the poll seems less for bigger films as they tend to have longer runs nowadays due to less competition. It is there. Besides, there are places which are simply not collecting the way they used to. In that context, the footfalls, even though they will be short of Dangal, are probably of the same level, perhaps even better. Then there is the matter of whether the film should be classified as an all-time blockbuster. It would have been easier if it topped the rupees 800 crore net benchmark, but then there are other caveats such as the footfalls are not at that level and B, the member includes a significant amount of feeding in the first week. A more detailed note addressing this classification will be put out in the coming days. The box office collection of Dhurandhar in India are as follows: Day and Net. Week 1 rupees 196.50 crore, week 2 rupees 241 crore, week 3 rupees 161.75 crore, week 4 rupees 100.50 crore, week 5 rupees 44.75 crore, week 6 rupees 24 crore, 7 Friday rupees 1.50 crore, total rupees 770 crore. Also read Dhurandhar circuit positions Ranveer Singh share tops in Delhi, up East Punjab and Mysore. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Goodbye.